Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Taurus, what's coming to you. Second half ng October. Trust. Okay, tiwala. Tiwala sa iyong sarili, tiwala sa mga plano mo. Maaring nagtitiwala ka sa mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mo pang ma-achieve sa buhay. You are very faithful. Faithful of your faithful to yourself, to your loved ones. You are safe, you are secure. Wow. So kumbaga confident ka sa sarili mo. Confident ka sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon, sa career mo, trabaho mo, sa relationship mo. You are very faithful. Creativity, wow. So you are going to be more creative. Marami kang projects, marami kang gustong gawin. If you have a business, magiging malikot ang isip mo about new products, new services na i-offer mo. Marami ka ngayong ideas. Maganda to kasi na i-entertain mo tong mga ideas na to kasi you'll never know na ito na pala yung magbibigay sa'yo ng break. Ito na pala yung magbibigay sa'yo ng success. Okay? You also have healing. You are healing from your past, Taurus. Ano man yung nagbigay sa inyo ng sama ng loob or a painful situation, you are healing from that, tuloy-tuloy. And yung iba naman sa inyo, this can be a physical healing. Kung nagkasakit kayo physically, you are in the process of recovery. Yes, you are recovering. Let's see your overall energy. Wow, the world. May achievement. Sabi nga, the world is your oyster. I see you na wanting to travel the world or nasa place ka na kung saan may kakayanan ka na makapag-travel, makapag-explore. Ito yung feeling na masasabi mo na may mga na-achieve ka na sa buhay na pwede mong ipagmalaki. Kumbaga, being proud of yourself is not bad, diba? Ibig lang sabihin nun na proud ka sa mga achievements mo kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. Some of you merong opportunities to work abroad or to have a business abroad, international trading. Your challenge, the Seven of Wands. Alam nyo, sabi nga nila, kapag hitik ang bunga, binabato, diba? Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring there are some people who are trying to bring you down. Yung tipong, kumbaga sa TikTok o kaya sa social media, binabash kasi maaring nakikita nila na konting mali ng taong yun, ibabash agad. Parang ganong klaseng energy. I also see that there are some people who are jealous of you dahil nakikita nila na marami ka nang na-achieve sa buhay. Minsan kasi yun yung frustration ng ibang tao na gusto nila, nandun sila sa posisyon mo. Okay? So, it's time for you to protect your energy. Oo, maging maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Lagi kang magpe-pray na protektahan ka from those negative energies kasi there are people who are parang pinagtutulungan ka. So, pwedeng pagtutulungan ka sa trabaho, sa business, parang, kinukuyog, binubuli. Your opportunity, Page of Pentacles. Marami kang opportunity na mapaunlad ang sarili mo. You may be learning, you may be studying, may mga pinag-aaralan ka related sa business, related sa pagpapaunlad ng finances mo. And I think yan yung mas focus mo ngayon. Hindi mo na parang hindi ka na magsasayang ng oras sa mga drama sa buhay. Mas focus ka on how to improve your money, your finances, your business, your career. So, kung pagdating sa career, lahat ng mga training, sinusubukan mo, pinapasukan mo para madagdagan yung knowledge mo. Oh, speaking of knowledge, you have the magician. This is your blessing. You are a blessing to yourself. Your skills are blessing to yourself. Kasi itong skills na to, hindi to makukuha ng ibang tao sa'yo. Dahil galing sa'yo yan mismo. 'Di ba? So, some of you, mas i-enhance nyo pa yung galing nyo, yung inyong abilidad, yung inyong skills. Some of you are great manifestors. So, pag meron kayong manifest talagang pinagtrabahuhan nyo, win-work out nyo, you take action, nangyayari talaga. And that's going to be your blessing. Your money, career, finances. Oh, may pera sa creativity ninyo, Taurus. Halimbawa, magaling kayong mag-bake, magaling kayong magtahi, or kung ano pa ang talento ninyo na nag-e-enjoy kayong gawin, ipagpatuloy nyo lang yan because meron itong pag-unlad. Dito ka mas makakahanap ng happiness, ng fulfillment sa buhay. Malaki yung potential nito. Yung iba, yung pagpe-painting, oh, marami ring papasok na pera yan sa inyo. This will also boost your confidence. Nag-grow, mas napapansin ka ngayon. Mas nakikita, nare-recognize ng iba yung talents mo, yung skill set mo, yung products mo, yung services mo kung may business ka. Sa love life naman, you have the King of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. So, for some of you, if you're looking for a relationship, I'm seeing someone na mas may swerte sa foreigner. Oo. So, pwedeng makikilala nyo yan online or through travel. Yes. So, may opportunity to meet someone while you are traveling. Kaya, yung mga mahihilig mag-travel dyan at single, just keep it up. Keep it up. Meron, I see someone na magkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. And eventually, this may lead to a very serious commitment. Syempre, kayo pa rin dyan ang gagawa ng action kung how are you going to deal with this relationship. Kung in a relationship ka naman, there's a possibility na meron kayong asikasuhin ng partner mo sa isang malayong lugar dahil may potensyal yung lugar na yon na maging negosyo ninyo or pagkukunan nyo ng materyales or resources for your business. Okay? Oh, career. Iba sa inyo, focus kayo talaga sa inyong career. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. So, ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you have to protect your energies. Wag laging, wag masyadong open book sa iba na lahat na lang kinukwento ninyo. Kasi may mga tao na hindi mapakali, na hindi ma-share sa iba yung na-share nyo sa kanya. Okay lang kung hindi ito secret, pero someone might gossip or will gossip all your secrets. Pwedeng sa workplace to, oh my God. Oh. Pay attention to your work. Yeah. Kadalasan naman kasi sa workplace yan eh. Lalo na yung, ichichismis ka. Let's say, porket merong pabor sa'yo, yung trabaho, sabihin, sip-sip ka, may favoritism. Okay. Yes, you will focus on yourself as well. You will celebrate yourself. You will celebrate your life, your achievements. You're going to be proud of your yung mga na-achieve mo sa buhay. You will practice self-love, self-care. Napaka-importante niyan. Na Yes, meron tayong mga ibang inaasikaso, pamilya, anak, trabaho. But at the end of the day, it is our responsibility to take care of ourselves. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.